What's up, everyone? Today we're exploring animations in Webflow, making your website come alive with interactions and motion. If you've ever wanted to add that extra flair to your site, then stay tuned. First, open your Webflow project or create a new one. Let's start by adding an element to animate. So we're going to add a div block, and we can place it right there. And then let's go and stretch. Great. And then we are going to add let's see, a text block. You can add an image inside as well. All right, so let's find this text block. There we go. And we put it right in. Great. And it says this is some text inside of a div block. Yeah, so let's change this to a lighter color so that you can see it better. There we go. All right, great. So now you want to select the element you want to animate, and that's this text block tree right here. And then you want to go and click on Interactions panel and click the plus sign here. And we can choose whatever animation we'd like. Let's just go with mouse hover. There we go. So define action that occur when cursor hovers over or away from element. All right, so the action would be, let's see, let's just say spin. There we go. Let's preview that. All right, there you go. We can also select a second state. One is the first one that we did was on hover. And we can also do an hover out as well. And for that, we can, let's do bounce. And then let's preview that. There we go. For scroll-based animations, you can use the while scrolling in view trigger. And this is great for animating elements as they enter the viewport. So don't forget to adjust the easing and duration settings to make the animation smooth. Preview your site to see the animations in action. And that's a basic intro to animations in Webflow. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more Webflow tips. Check out the description for a free Webflow trial link.